What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I am going to be tackling one of the biggest things I hear entrepreneurs, small business owners, content creators say. Oh my God, how do you come up with content ideas? I don't know what to post on social media, blah, 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 blah. We are going to be tackling that with my new surefire way to ensure that you can create content ideas that work really, really well for your target person, okay? It's the simplest way to do it, I promise you that, okay? And it's free 99. So I'm absolutely mind blown by the power of AI and the power of ChatGPT. A lot of people are freaked out by AI. Listen, if you're a marketer, if you're a content creator, there are ways you can use AI for your benefit and not just be running away afraid of it, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys something and a way that I use AI for my content creation, which has literally saved me hours of time within the content ideation process, y'all. Oh my gosh. This is what we're gonna do. We are going to use ChatGPT, and I'm gonna give you guys specific prompts to type into actual ChatGPT. One of the biggest issues I see when it comes to ChatGPT is people are typing in, one sentence into like the little chat box or whatever, and kind of confused on why the results they get back aren't that great. So I'm gonna give you an exact prompt, and I'm also gonna put it down below in the description box so you don't have to like listen to me and type it out yourself. You can just copy and paste it from the description box, so it'll be down below, okay? So the prompt I'm gonna give you, of course, fill it in with your niche, what your target audience wants, what you do online, fill in the blanks with your stuff, okay? But I'm gonna give you guys my example of what it looks like, specifically what I typed into ChatGPT. First and foremost, again, you're going to open up ChatGPT and you're going to type in this. I want you to act as my social media manager. I need you to create awesome video ideas for YouTube and also create description box text as well. My niche is entrepreneurial lifestyle, and I need a mix of videos that are lifestyle, content marketing, and Christian based. Make the posts creative, unique, and have some witty fun. Make them SEO optimized and a bit clickbaity. I need 20 video ideas. Watch the magic that freaking happens. Okay, so I'm gonna give you another example of something that I typed in that I walked my client through, okay? She's a Christian mindset coach, and I literally asked her to do this exact same practice to see what ideas could come up for her, okay? So I'm gonna give you her example. Hers was, I want you to act as a social media manager. I need you to create video ideas for YouTube. My niche is mindset for Christian entrepreneurs, and I need a mix of videos that are lifestyle, mindset tips, and Christian based. I want the videos to be focused on helping entrepreneurs with their mindset and understanding why mindset and overcoming limiting beliefs are important. Make the post creative, unique, and have some witty fun. Make them SEO optimized and a bit clickbaity. I need 20 YouTube videos, or I need 20 video ideas. Boom. And when I tell you the ideas that she generated on the other side of that, oh my God, it was so freaking good, you guys. So check that out down below in the description box. When I tell you, AI doesn't have to be as scary as everybody or some people are making it seem. Now, maybe in the future we may need to worry about it, but for now, we can use it for our benefit, especially as marketers, okay? So anyway, check that out, y'all. This has saved me so much time. And actually next, I'm gonna be talking about my actual content creation breakdown, how I batch create content, what my kind of content creation split looks like. I'm gonna walk you guys through all of that. When I tell you one of those parts of that process is content ideation, and this has saved me hours. So now that whole thing, it literally now takes me maybe 30 minutes after typing everything in, typing it in, generating about 100 different content ideas, and then going through, and then from there, I pick which ideas I wanna use, and then of course I add them to my content calendar. Then from there, your girl's good, okay? So anyway, you guys, I hope that helps. I just wanted to create a quick little video on that because it has saved me so much time. It has been amazing. So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, check out my next video, like I said, that is all about actual content creation process, what I do, how I batch everything, the days I film, how I do everything, also with a 9-to-5 job, okay? So if you want to check that out, do so. It will walk you through my entire process of how I make it easy, sustainable, and allows me to avoid burnout within content creation. So check it out. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see y'all over there. Bye.